At ngayon ay susubukan natin ang ating sarili sa pagbibigay ng formula sa geometrical shape. Uunahin natin ang perimeter at isusunod natin ang area. Dito nasusukat ang ating kakayahan kung naaalala pa ba natin ito. Mula sa circle, sakit circle, circle pi r, pi r, 2 pi r, basta kay 2 pi r squared. Perimeter sa perimeter din mo, perimeter atong square is plus 2 is squared. Perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle 2L plus 2W. Perimeter of triangle, perimeter of triangle 1/2 times base times height. Next, area. So area. So area of circle. Area of a circle is 2 pi r squared. 2 pi r squared. Area of the square is squared. Area of square is squared. Area of a rectangle, length times wide, length times width.